Vice President Sara or Education Secretary Sara Duterte has inspected the school opening in Bataan province to personally know the situation on the ground. Mayan Corvera has the details.
The Department of Education said the school opening is a success after 2 years of blended learning due to COVID-19 pandemic. Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte said the pandemic or lack of facilities due to calamity is not an excuse for the discovery of wisdom. In her inspection at Dinalupihan Elementary School in Bataan, Duterte talked to the learners and asked them about their situation as the school opens today. As of today, more than 28 million learners have enrolled to private and public schools.
Isang malaking tagumpay para sa mga kabataang Pilipino ang muling pagsisimula ng in-person learning ngayong araw na ito. Isang hakbang na buong tapang na ginawa ng Department of Education sa kabila ng mga hamon at takot na dala ng COVID-19 pandemic.
The Vice President said the government is not ignoring the threat of COVID-19 and other pandemic and diseases, which was the reason why the Department of Health has laid rules to prevent teachers from being infected with the virus and to make sure the children are safe. Duterte insisted that it is necessary to act and get the learners back to school for the children's future and to keep up with the challenges of the world. Besides lack of knowledge, Duterte said most of the children have damaged their eyes using gadgets.
We cannot make the lack of educational infrastructure or the inadequate number of classrooms in certain provinces another excuse. There are no excuses. Hindi na po natin kaya na muling maantala pa ang pag-aaral ng mga kabataang Pilipino. Kailangan na po natin silang maibalik sa in-person learning dahil sa in-person learning makakakuha ng makahulugan, sapat o wasto at dekalidad na edukasyon na kailangan nila para sa kalinangan ng kanilang pag-iisip at kakayanan bilang mga individual na magiging katuwang ng pamahalaan sa pagtatag ng isang malakas na bansa.
The Vice President said the DepEd is still facing big challenges like classroom shortage of 90,000 and school damage by the earthquake in Ilocos region and typhoons in Visayas and Mindanao. Using makeshift tents and gymnasium, the Vice President said face-to-face classes resumes amid shortage in teachers and staff.
Dapat po ba nating iurong muna ang pagbubukas ng klase sa Limasawa Island? Hindi. Mismong ang mga magulang at guro ang nasabi paaralan sa Limasawa Island ang nagsabi na sasabay sila sa pagbubukas ng klase. Hindi sila magpapahuli sa ibang mga paaralan at sa edukasyon ng ating mga anak.
Parents and children alike are happy with the resumption of face-to-face classes.
Tuwang-tuwa nga po siya nung first time yung makapasok po sa school po dapat po yung nagaganyak na mag-face-to-face po talaga. Wala, hindi naman po, kumbaga po nakahanda naman po kami, kumbaga meron po siyang disinfect po, sarili niya po. Okay naman po yung room nila po talagang naman po sila social distancing.
This grandmother said 2 years of online classes, she noticed a change in the value of her grandson who spent more time with gadgets.
Mas gusto ko na rin po yung face-to-face. Kasi mas marami silang matututunan bukod sa nakakapag-interact sila sa mga batang gaya nila. Kasi yung sa loob lang ng bahay, masyado silang parang iba yung behavior nila. Diba? Malaking diferensya nung nasa face-to-face na sila kaysa dun sa nasa online. Mas gusto ko na rin yun. Kasi dun sa 2 years po na yun, parang yung ibang apo ko pa, parang nag-iba yung behavior nila. Parang mainitin yung ulo nila.
Even the 6-year-old pupil Mateo is happy to personally meet his classmates.
Sumasaya po. Pag makita ko po, sumasayaw po.
Talaga? Sumayaw kayo?
Pati po nagbibilang.
Nagbilang kayo.
The DepEd ensures that there is alcohol and students and teachers are wearing face masks all the time and students observe physical distancing as much as possible. School canteens are allowed to operate and learners can eat with the others but facing one direction and no conversations when they are not wearing face masks. Mayan Corvera reporting for Mata ng Agila International, trusted, connected, on point.